Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.